Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Dometic 300 valve is probably one of the most important components in your RV or boat's sanitation system, ensuring smooth and efficient toilet flushing. In this video, we will deep dive into this essential part, exploring its features, installation process, and most importantly, how to maintain it for optimal performance and longevity, saving you from potential plumbing headaches and ensuring a comfortable experience on your adventures. Number 5. Sealand Marine Toilet Valve Kit 3853111641. This kit is designed for easy replacement of your old, leaky valve. It's compatible with 300, 310, and 320 series Sealand Marine toilets. Replacing your valve is simple and straightforward. Just follow the instructions for a quick and easy fix. Say goodbye to annoying leaks with this durable replacement valve. It's built to last and restore your toilet's functionality. When connecting the water pipes, remember not to over-tighten to prevent damage to the threads. A snug fit is all you need. Use the included fasteners to secure the toilet water pipe connections. This prevents accidental disconnections and leaks. The kit includes everything for a complete replacement: a new valve, hose clamp, fasteners, and screws. Everything you need is right here. What we like. It's a simple and affordable solution for replacing your leaking valve. Everything you need is included in one convenient kit. If you're on a budget and need a quick fix, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Just like original. Easy to install. 2 screws. Exact replacement. Fixed a leaking one, likely from freezing as described many times in these reviews. Even though I winterized trailer by blowing air through piping, apparently air didn't clear this valve, probably because I didn't know to depress toilet flush pedal while doing that to open the airway through the valve. Received the toilet valve a week earlier than promised. Part was easy to install and fit better than the same part we purchased last year. Quick response from vendor to an inquiry I made via email. Number 4. Dreyoo RV Toilet Water Valve. This upgraded valve is compatible with Sealand 300, 310, 320 series RV toilets and a 3853111641 domestic model. It's a practical and easy to install replacement. Say goodbye to leaks. It uses advanced sealing technology to eliminate the risk of leaks, keeping your RV dry and safe, no matter where you are. Even if you're not a plumber, replacing this is a breeze. It's designed for easy installation with no special tools required. It's built to withstand cold temperatures, preventing leaks and ensuring reliable performance even in freezing conditions. Enjoy worry-free travel, anytime. Each package includes 2 water valves, seals, filters, screws, and clamps, everything you need for a complete replacement. Enjoy your travels. What we like. This upgraded valve boasts advanced sealing technology to prevent leaks, keeping your RV dry and comfortable. You get 2 sets for extra value and peace of mind. If you prioritize leak prevention and want a spare, this is for you. What people say. Perfect fit for toilet. Was able to replace this part on my RV toilet. Quick and easy fit was perfect. Worked just like the original. At first, I ordered a more brand-name version that was over twice the price for a single flush valve. It leaked worse than the one I was replacing. When I got this one, pack of 2, the valve worked perfectly. Number 3. Dreyoo RV Toilet Valve. This upgraded RV toilet valve is compatible with Sealand 300, 310, 320 series toilets and other models. It's a practical and reliable replacement for your existing valve. Say goodbye to leaks. It uses advanced sealing technology to prevent flooding, keeping your RV dry and safe, no matter the conditions. Replacing it is a breeze. Even without plumbing experience, you can easily install this valve in just a few simple steps. No special tools are needed. It's built to withstand low temperatures. This ensures it won't leak or malfunction, even in freezing conditions, providing reliable performance year-round. This kit comes with everything you need for a complete replacement: a new valve, seal, hose clamp, filters, and screws. Everything is included for a simple installation. What we like. This upgraded valve uses advanced sealing technology to eliminate leaks, and its simple design makes installation a breeze. If you value ease of use and reliable sealing, this is a great option. What people say. Perfect fit for toilet. Was able to replace this part on my RV toilet. Quick and easy fit was perfect. Worked just like the original. At first, I ordered a more brand name version that was over twice the price for a single flush valve. It leaked worse than the one I was replacing. When I got this one, pack of 2, the valve worked perfectly. Number 2. Beech Lane Dometic Valve Kit. It's frustrating to constantly deal with a broken toilet valve. This upgraded replacement offers a simple solution and increased longevity. This isn't your average replacement valve. It's designed with superior materials and construction for long-lasting performance. It features a reinforced polymer construction, tested to withstand freezing temperatures and prevent cracking. Say goodbye to winter worries. The over-engineered design ensures this valve will last. You'll save time and money on replacements. Our unique rotary melting process creates a completely sealed valve, preventing leaks and ensuring reliable performance. It's a direct replacement for part 385311641, making installation quick and easy. Get back to enjoying your RV. What we like. It's designed to withstand freezing temperatures and is built to last. The ultrasonic sealing ensures a leak-proof connection. If you live in a cold climate or want a long-lasting solution, choose this one. What people say. It was a perfect replacement on my Dometic 310. It took 2 small screwdrivers to push in the clips to remove the old one, but the installation of the new one was easy. This seems like a well-built replacement and was easy to install. It's designed to fit Dometic 300, 310, and 320 series toilets, replacing part 385311641, which is great if you're tired of leaks or yearly valve replacements. It's designed for longevity, so I'm hopeful I won't have to replace it anytime soon. The seams are completely sealed during production, which helps prevent leaks. Number 1. Dometic Water Valve Kit. This kit ensures a smooth and efficient toilet operation. It's designed for easy installation and comes with everything you need for a quick repair. It's a genuine Dometic part, guaranteeing a perfect fit and reliable performance. You can trust it to work seamlessly with your toilet. The kit includes the water valve, hose clamp, fasteners, and instructions for a hassle-free repair or replacement. Everything is neatly packaged for your convenience. It's designed for simple installation, saving you time and effort. The clear instructions make the process straightforward. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to store and handle. Its small size doesn't compromise on quality or functionality. This kit is manufactured in the United States, ensuring high-quality materials and manufacturing standards. You can trust in its durability and reliability. It's compatible with various Dometic and Sealand toilet models, including 300, 301, 310, and 320 series. Check your model number to ensure compatibility. What we like. This genuine OEM part guarantees a perfect fit and reliable performance. It comes in a compact kit for easy storage and repair. If you want the best quality and a guaranteed fit, this is your ideal choice. What people say. Good and proper fit, easy to install, no leaks, good quality. The water valve kit is very easy to install and provides a reliable and leak-free connection for my RV's water system. Perfect fit, very solid and firm fit in the valve holder, and the clips are firm plastic. Watered up, and everything held without leaking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.